Okay, here's the last part for week 11. This is just kind of on the assignment, the wheelchair cases. Something you're going to kind of start in on your own, ideally, at least start to look at it on your own. But really, we're going to put it together and do it in the lab. We'll break you down into groups. We'll give you each a case, and we'll go through all the cases and see what your answers are, so everybody can make sure that their answers are right. It's not like a challenging kind of thing. We're just going to go over it, make sure everybody's got the right answer. The goal of this is to get you thinking in the right way for your wheelchair assignment, so you're not kind of going off on these little tangents or forgetting big gaps in what you're looking for your wheelchair equipment. So with this, again, just look at it. You can start doing it, get some thoughts down, start writing it down if you want. But really, in lab, we're going to do a hard copy of this assignment, and then that's when you're going to pass it in during lab. Okay, so just to go over this kind of case example, again, this is like a practice exercise on what you're going to be doing for your wheelchair assignment. Everybody's starting to think more about this. You've got that functional exam out of the way, so really start to think more about your wheelchair assignment. Start to get ready for that, because like I said, there's a lot of moving parts to it, and it's kind of involved. Okay, so let me get into the cases here. So these are the cases. There is 5 of them, different cases. And what you're doing with each case is you're seeing what kind of cushion do they need for the wheelchair, what kind of wheels, hard or air wheels, what kind of controls, joystick, can they just push it, supports for their trunk and core, and accessories do they need, considering their safety, their goals, their disease progress, their age, that sort of stuff. So each one of these little description, I would suggest reading these through. And then if you look at this chart at the bottom, try to answer these questions. At least start thinking about these questions. What kind of cushion do they need for their chair? This really relates to their skin. How much time are they spending in their chair? Are they in there all day or not? Can they do skin management on their own, i.e. regular movement, weight shifting? Maybe not. What is their age? If you're older, your skin is a lot more vulnerable. The integrity of the skin can be compromised very easily. Controls, how much hand coordination do they have? Are they cognitively intact? Are they cognitively capable of using an electric wheelchair safely? Supports, this comes into those issues in the week 10 PowerPoint. Your answers for this are all going to be in the week 9 and week 10 PowerPoints. You're going to have to go back to refer to those around kyphosis, scoliosis, and pelvic obliquity. Is it fixed or flexible? And then what do they need depending on what it is? Wheels, indoor, outdoor use, can they maintain them? And then their unique goals and needs for accessories. And just give it your best shot in terms of your parts that you want. Again, we're going to be doing this in the lab, but start thinking about it, getting ready to articulate some answers, because we'll go around and I'll be asking everybody, why did you choose what you chose, that sort of thing. Okay, so we go back to this. And then these are just the upcoming assignments, homework 8, and then the lecture questions, probably just 2 lecture questions from the lecture you just did. So again, let me know if you're not sure about the lecture questions. Try to figure them out on your own. Listen to the whole thing. Look at all those PowerPoints. If you can't come up with the answers, email me. At least email me, tell me what you think it is, and I can let you know if you're on the right track. Okay, so that is that.